Hello and welcome to type our verbal reasoning questions. So let's just read this question together. So there are 3 words in the first group while 1 word is missing in the second group. Select the missing word in the second group that should go together in the same way as the 3 words in the first group. Okay, so in this case, let's use this following technique, which is the best thing that I possibly use, and you can too. So let's number these words: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we're just numbering these words on the left and the right. Now let's see how this word in the middle has been created from using letters from the top left and the top right. So L, we can see, is here, which is number 3. So let's just put down number 3 there. I in this case is number 2. So let's just put down number 2 on top of I. S comes from number 5. So let's put down 5 there. And T comes from number 7, which is right at the end here. And let's put down number 7 there. So in this case, our code is 3, 2, 5, and 7. So let's number these again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So let's pick out number 3 first of all. So number 3 is going to be D. Let's just write that there. Number 2 will be E from the left-hand side. Let's just write that there. Number 5 is the N from the right-hand side. Let's put that there. And number 7 is the T on the word on the bottom right. And let's put down T there. So in this case, that gives us an answer of dent. So remember, we're trying to make a word, but these are the exact techniques that you're supposed to use. This is the easiest way that you can actually answer these questions. Just number the original words, top left and top right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on, and then decide how the middle word has been created. Sometimes you're going to have multiple words, letters with the same number, but again, just do it as I've showed you here, and it will make your life much, much easier. Good luck with these.